This is the safest hood. Stop trying to put next time, the next ball, we're gonna have y'all in the lap.
Don't be like this guy.
Oh, watch out. Y'all know, bro. I started this bang shit. You know what I'm saying? Bang, 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 bang. Bang time.
Black ass will call it forever, nigga. Black and shit. Look at your drip. Drip, nigga. I just come outside with D.
Hands out, nigga.
Hands out.
Hands out. Hands out,
Damn.
No rest allowed.
All you gotta do is tell one of your mans you get $1 million. It's easy.
What? You think you gonna fuck with that nigga?
Go ahead with that shit, bro.
He running. Why he get to running? He running. Why he running like that? Oh, yeah,
There you go.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Hey, bro. Hey, chill, bro. Oh, shit. Get him off. Hey, bro, pass that shit.
You know why I am, Mo. You know why I am, Mo. You know why I am.
No why. Not this time.
$25 through $150 giveaway Visa codes throughout the whole video. Don't miss out.
Roll a G, smoking dope, can't go to sleep. It's about 4.
Subscribe to Island Supreme.
She eat the deep fruit roll.
Why they judging it, bro? Y'all saw the video, right?
Watch out.
Yeah, as y'all can see, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm ready about it. Whack these niggas today, you know what I'm saying? I'm tired of getting pressed, you know what I'm saying? But let's get right to the video, man. Come on.
Yeah.
Hello?
Walk all the way down.
Oh, this way?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Y'all trying to make a YouTube video?
Making it right now. Y'all can say what's up.
What's up with y'all, Mo?
What's up?
Y'all from where? West Africa, right?
Yeah,
because we look like brothers and
Sorry,
family
so
and all that.
where you from?
I'm from right here. 3rd Street, 4300 Third Street, you know what I'm saying? You tight out this month?
Yeah, I'm saying I gotta keep my shit on.
So what's y'all?
Yeah, what's up with y'all, man? What's good, OG? What's up with y'all, man? How y'all doing? Chillin'. What's up with y'all, man?
What happened to your shirt, man?
What's good, bro?
You be gonna fight, bro.
What's y'all on? What's good, boy? How you doing? What? Oh! Hey, stop playing! I really keep it on. Stop playing! Y'all better stop playing! Oh, yeah.
Bro, get that shit. Hey, bro. Hey, chill, bro. Oh, shit. Get him off. Hey, bro, pass that shit.
How you get on the bag, fool? Oh, you like that shit? Like his ass up? Come on! Oh! You really gave him the... Hey, behind you! Behind you, fool! Oh, yeah, you ass gets... Oh!
Hey, what the other one?
How you gonna take the bag from us, bro? Like, what's up? You gonna just take the bag and shit?
Bro, do not squirt me with them guns. I'm not doing it.
Bro, how you get in the bag, fool?
But it was your ass. You gave him the bag, bro.
Damn. Wiggin'. Look at Wiggin'. But who we got right here, though?
What's up, Mo?
It's good with you.
I just switched that shit, you hear me?
He did, bro.
First off, nigga, we chasing them rich. We ain't sliding on blocks, then we just getting rich. Nigga, go ass around, park fire on the set, dog blowing that gun, nigga, show us you with it.
You shit got me, though. I ain't gonna lie.
I ain't even get wet, Mo. You see me?
I got you a few times. But I got his head, though. I ain't gonna lie.
You clutching? You good?
Get him.
All right, you got it, bro.
See how you come out here with endless, and then you just got robbed for all your shit. Took all your shit.
Bro, look.
In the South, you gonna get your shit taken, man. You hear me?
I told him, bro. That's why I bring our weapons, bro.
That's you, bro. I don't think you meant for this shit, bro.
What happened, man? They walked up and they guns gone, man. You hear me?
Saying, bro, you
How can I
gave
get it back,
Shit
though?
gone, man.
How can I get it back?
You got like 2,500?
Oh, you got that Lulu?
Mo, this young.
Don't be like this guy.
Oh, watch out.
Yeah, what? Hey, Mo, stop. Why?
Hey, you on shit. Hold up, come on. Let me watch it. Hey, wait. Guns down. We're gonna give it a second, right? This is what we about to do. We got see all of them right there? Look, I got 10,000 for you, 20 for you. Since she's a girl, she's a girl, right? And then 10 for you. Easy. I'm gonna go in the car and get it as soon as I black all of it. Alright?
We need some milk.
Get him.
Oh, drench your ass.
Bro, I'm not getting nothing.
It's good, bro. You
having fun at the pool?
Just set me up, bro.
just went like that. Everywhere we go, you guys get
At
pressed.
least I'm wet like water, so ain't bitch trying to slide my DM, bro. You know
She had a girlfriend though.
Chill, bro. I forgot. Look, see this? It's for you.
Do what she doing.
Oh yeah, light him up, light him up, light him
You
up.
want this, right? You want this, right? You want this, right? You want this?
Hit them. All right, hit them. I got 20.
I got 30.
Hey, who you know
Go
more?
ahead. Get him.
Oh, backdoor him. Oh yeah, get him. Oh, I see you. Oh yeah, he behind the tree. Oh yeah, get him, he behind the tree. He get to running, Ass up, light his ass up.
Come on.
Hey, come on. Oh yeah, we on his ass. Oh yeah, get his ass. Oh, he get to running. Why he running though? Why you running? If you don't come press his ass. Okay. Oh, he get to running. Oh, he kicking feet. We got a runner. He get a running. He running. Why he running like that though?
For all the shit I've been hearing about Wick, bro, and 60, I ain't never seen him run as fast as they. You know what I'm saying?
You sound like you out of breath, bro.
Yeah. So who we got here today, man?
Yo, father. I fell in love with popping my door and I'm swinging that P-back, get on the floor. So I'm swinging my door, lay ass go. We kept rolling them up, man, he turned to some ghosts. Man, we caught a new op, man, I lie, smoke. One man, my right hand, leave all they rip, them youngins be croak. We bringing that shit, man, them youngins be choke. When I'm bumming that G20 Sam, that shit be rolled.
Alright. Anyways, what's up, Wick? How you doing today? You know what I'm saying?
Money, what's up? This is like I'm living, gotta move smart cause them niggas might get you. Talking to a bitch, ain't solving no issue. Give a fuck what they saying, I'm posting my trend. We got all type of shit like go gas. My youngest shoot shit like he play for the man. Stop that.
I'm not doing that.
You gonna stop right here. First off, you got 6 watt. You know, 60, 6 ball. You know what they call it.
Your father.
Bang for going at the Instagram. Then we got Wick, DB Money Wick. Excuse me. Y'all know who he is. That's the video for him. Then you got Roxo. We ain't gonna say too much though. Stay down. We got Miley, 5 star. You seen the footage already. 5 star, excuse me. You know what we got right here?
Still, you hear me?
Baby 3.
Smack the shit out some of you niggas, you hear me?
Excuse me. They call him 3 right here. You know what I'm saying? They got me, King Walk. Then they got my man Reet. Excuse me. Tell him Reet. Yeah, you with me. Excuse me. Stop.
This the youngest. He always stay with the bob. He fouled most of y'all youngest. You hear me?
He fouled more than Baby K.
Remember?
More than that nigga Baby K.
Remember Baby K? He twisting up right now. You hear me?
What started y'all rapping, man? You know what I'm saying? What made y'all rap? You don't know? You don't know? What about you, Wick?
I ain't gonna lie. I always been rapping with my brother. I was just some shit. One day, that shit just changed.
So what song y'all think blew y'all up?
Shit, the Joe, me and my man 60.
Okay. Which one?
Dizzy, pop child out.
Which one?
Dizzy, pop child out.
We go looking for cars, then we get this. I'm turning my young niggas up, man, it's time to get bitch. I'ma put on my Glock and go pick up that 6. Boys, that type of day, bro, assist with the drip. Just getting me right, it's never a drop. They ain't outside and it's time to reroute. Put shit on your whip, then I'm clearing it out. They be banging all day, I keep pitching it out. We be banging all day, this shit not a drop. With a young nigga having our way on the south. Every fish on the block, we clearing it out. They fish on the block, we switching they route. I need me a watch, I need me a chain. My bust on my wrist, this shit not a game. These niggas be 50, these niggas be lame. I come on that block and I let it in rain. Yeah, we started a lot of shit banging and all that, man. Banging came from right here.
You niggas banging like shit. Fuck they got going on?
I bang in the winter, I bang in the summer.
Banging too much right here, bro. How the fuck you banging on the motherfucking door? Man, I ain't banging, nigga. Bang.
Banging is using the terms of getting money. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't be banging for real. I be banging for real though. I ain't gonna lie.
So what you see yourself in 5 years though?
5 years? Shit, in 5 years, I might be fucking a nigga bitch. Damn! I'm gonna be kicked up in the head, you hear me?
Yeah, I ain't gonna be like that.
Don't trust these bitches. Do not trust these bitches. They want your money. That's all they care for is your money. Main focus on you.
Shout out anybody?
Shout out my man B Money. Free my man.
Everybody, yeah, free.
You hear me? Free trap, free woe, you hear me? Free all them man.
Come on, 60, bro.
Hold on, bro. I'm paying attention to something else, bro.
See?
Hey,
you
dog.
about the wrong thing.
You gotta get my man Dog. Man really started this shit around here. I ain't gonna lie, who really influenced me to do that shit was my man Reek, though. Do this shit, yeah.
DB Money Reek was also one of the members. He had recently passed away due to a tragic incident. Y'all go spam up Rest in Peace Money Reek, because he really put on for the city. And this is how his music was sounding. That joint was cranking, I ain't gonna lie.
I'm a young nigga, I'm chasing them dead. Then I kiss me a hit his ass in his fetish. I'm swerving in blows, can't catch me at lemon. Try to score me a bucket, I thought I was pimpin'. My niggas, they ballin', these niggas on bitches. Up off the hip, you can see the precision. Let's go, let's go. Tie up your goose, nigga, we gon' fish.
Other than rap, though, what would you think you would be doing? Like play basketball, football? What you think?
Shit. I don't think I'd be playing sports, bro.
You don't think so?
Fuck no.
I be banging.
Bang.
Okay, I fuck with it. Can I bang with y'all?
No. Not with that t-shirt.
This my artist right here, these two. You know what I mean? He go by Baby 3. Go top in, he got tape and video on the way, you know what I mean?
Y'all like making music though? Like, yeah, would y'all switch it up and shit? Or would you, just, you know what I'm saying? Like, would you rap, sing? You know what I'm saying?
I can do all that shit, bro. I'll do whatever, bro.
Okay. What about you, bro?
Fuck no, I ain't singing.
Why not?
I ain't singing for nobody.
How much are y'all signed for?
Why you ain't singing?
200 million. I need 800K.
800K? Yeah, that's reasonable. What about you?
Front though.
Hey, watch out, man.
Yeah.
In advance?
I see my key, bro.
Okay.
This my other artist right here. He go by Baby K. You hear me? Trying to put my man on the map. Man, time I got him signed to Could Have Been Records, he gonna be on the next season.
Man, we can't get me signed to nobody, man.
Baby K from the
I barely be rapping for real, man.
I got you though, man. Son.
Oh, shit. He got the connection.
Hey, should we talk about the regular level? You want to know what it stands for?
Toilet Boy Records. It stands for your head and the toilet.
Oh, no. Statements over games, bro.
Oh, he told your ass he about to sign a statement over games.
You good?
Oh, you a YM, Mo. You got a YM.
Not this time.
What you mean not this time? What you mean, man? You with me? Fuck that, man. We ain't going, man.
I'm sorry.
You know they get this back.
No rest
All you gotta do is tell one of your mans you get $1 million. It's easy.
What? You think you gonna fuck with that nigga?
Go ahead with that shit, bro.
Come on, bro.
I'm not a RKO.
What he say? No, I'm good.
Nigga make a statement. You cannot hang here no more at all. You hear me? We don't even want you.
You told, bro.
Stop playing with me, bro.
I can use him as our store runner.
That's easy. I did that playing time.
Definitely need that.
You wanna get $5 a trip?
$5 a trip. Hey, you trying to go get some
No, you ain't better get no $5.
Nah.
Oh no, I don't know what the fuck you just threw this on. But you know when you know how you gotta get there. You gotta walk all the way down there. You gotta walk the whole strip.
You don't get paid until you come back from the store with every correct item.
No security, nothing.
Hey, how you think he did last time on the last store run? He did good?
Oh yeah, he definitely got my gushes on the last.
You think he a good store runner?
Look, I ain't paying for that store run either.
Oh God, we ain't here.
He gave me $3 extra, bro. He gave me $3.
He jiffing. I didn't pay him for that store run.
Shit, I ain't paying shit. I told him, yeah. You see, he paid for my drink too.
Yeah. I remember that day.
Bro, remember we went.
He was crying. He was like, bro, I ain't want to be a store runner.
When we go back there, you know that, man. Your head about to go in the toilet again, right?
What you talking about?
Damn, they put your head in the toilet?
He never did, bro. Watch the video.
Trying to cut the clip early and all that.
Put your head in the toilet.
I gave him a swirly. Wrong, man.
Nah, you ain't going like that.
Why you
He gave you one of them Alvin and Chick mugs.
Take your glasses off? No. Glasses got all in that.
Why they jazzing it, bro? Y'all saw the video, right?
Watch out.
My fault, OG. Oh.
Take it back. My shit was already like this. Your shit still hot water. You put your shit down, your shit still hot water. It ain't. Your choco looking ass. Hey. You hear me?
That shit was it not funny with your boy's chestnut looking ass. Go get the big gun from Mob. Tell him, say ODOG, say he need it right now.
Go ahead, DJ. Go ahead,
Bro, you wanna be on the block, right? This what you gotta do.
Bro, you being scared, bro. Catch his ass, bro.
How you do that, John?
Let me see that shit.
Hey, light his shit up. Hey, get his ass. That's how you chase niggas? Come on, bro. What's up?
So y'all gave him the jump back?
You know that nigga. He get the running.
Oh, he took the. Oh nah. Oh nah.
Oh, that shit not shit.
Oh my. Hit his ass,
Damn. Lighting your shit up. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Oh yeah, you box. He's stuck. He be hopping them Jones.
He got it. Sorry to shit.
Hey bro, look at your man, bro. He's soaked. He tired.
Sorry to shit.
Boy, you let that nigga take the iron from you and chase you back up the street.
He got the cool pass.
But he ain't come with me. He ain't going to move with me though.
He got the cool pass. Your ass is up. Measy ass nigga.
Call me, man.
Yeah, he has some federal pressure, man.
Yeah, real life line.
About to see a bang pull up.
Y'all know, bro. I started this bang shit. You know what I'm saying? Bang, 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 bang. Bang time.
Commercial shit you got. You ain't got shit in your pockets, home.
What's in my pockets? I'm not. I'm not. Hey, look, you know I got too much design. I don't know what to pick.
I can't make my mind up. I don't know what designer I want pick.
He said he started that bang.
Look, I got too much design. I don't know what to pick.
Who said that though?
What the fuck kind of...
My man, bro.
Who's it? He's like
My
that.
young, yeah, my young nigga, man.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? Look, if you can show me or not, I'll show it to you right now.
I can't show you.
You broke your shit.
Of course you can.
What the fuck they passing me? What the
You ugly, black as shit. Black ass will call it forever, nigga. Black as shit. Look at your drip. Drip, nigga. I just come outside with D. You about to talk to me like that, bro? Make me get on your ass.
Hey, look.
Who the fuck still with you?
Let me show you.
Who the fuck still show me, nigga?
Let me show you something right now. Hey, look, we all know these right here can be mine in a quick second, man.
And guess what? I would smack the shit out of you. Touch your shoes. Ass nigga just try to touch me, bro.
Oh, wait, those right there? Oh, I did see them jumps.
You see my man, yeah.
I did see them jumps around the corner.
You see my young nigga, yeah. You left like shit. You don't be out here. You out from Merlin somewhere. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Give me that. Oh yeah. Where you going? Damn. Ain't getting this back right here, man. Damn. Took your phone. And he took your camera too. And hey, this our new camera, dog. Free music video.
Hey, your hair got like 4 holes in your shirt. Why is you walking out like that?
You know why?
Mo came out.
You don't know why you got shot at.
Yeah, you going out bad.
Fuck, I hit. Fuck you sleeping at Motel 6?
I hit back.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Zooming on the
Baby
face.
slime.
Zooming on the face.
Baby slime. Baby slime. Baby slime. Damn, your shit butcher.
Damn.
What's up?
He even like got Mickey Mouse tooted on his shirt.
Oh.
What the fuck, bro?
Stop riding that dick, nigga. Shout out Janky, but that's my man shit, man.
I understand that, but I understand.
Hey, look. Hey, he got people he doing that.
Like,
You know what I'm saying? He got people he doing.
That's wild.
Hold on. I can't be showing that. You're a little kid.
Mickey is bent over.
Now he really bent over? He really bent over for us?
No, bro.
Yes, he is.
He just getting good accuracy with that shit.
What?
Alright, bro.
He said he got good accuracy. That's why he
I don't know
doing
that nigga
that.
right now.
Look.
So did Diddy fuck you?
Hey, yo, what the fuck, man?
You on that Diddy shit.
You on that Diddy shit, man.
You on that Diddy shit, man.
This what happened when
You get
He don't foul up. Don't foul up at all. He don't foul up. What you gotta say, bro? He don't foul. Give me that. Hey, let me see that J-Dog.
Give me some sheets and funnel right now.
Now you want foul? Now you want roll up?
I'm about to roll up as soon as I smoke. I ain't hit no weed, so what's the purpose of me rolling up? I ain't hit no weed.
Every single you hit every J.
Well, Jug, I ain't hit none of them J's y'all just fired up on my son I did. At all. On my son I did.
I just gave you a J. You just gave that little ass roach.
Why you hitting that though? You ain't fired up nothing, bro.
Cause you ain't roll up and
I'm about to roll up.
What the fuck did he just pass me? He passed me a J. How the fuck you ain't smoking? You passed me a J.
I rolls up, bro. I don't know what they talking
Who you
about.
roll up with though? You roll up with
Mad time?
Just peep him how many J's he wrote up from this time being.
I see the bag right. He got that.
I'm about to roll up.
He got one bag, but let's see how long it take for the J to actually get rolled.
Bro, they say I don't roll up.
Coming up, he about to pull off soon. That's the only reason why he about to roll up. You see, this is the safest hood.
Stop trying to put your hand out.
Same got the kids outside.
Next time, the next ball, we gonna have y'all in the night.
You know what they take the bang though, right?
I'm good, bro. I'm ready.
Time out, hold on. You know what you gotta do to bang?
Let me know something.
First, loyalty, you know what you gotta do? You gotta get jumped in.
So you want to get jumped in on that?
No. Fuck it, let's do it.
Come here. I'm so glad I'm not in this one.
Get his ass.
I'm so glad I'm not in this. This is why you don't jump into
Ain't shit free over here, nigga.
Yeah, why you ain't help your man?
Give me your glasses. Hold on. Give me your fucking glasses. Can't see shit. You had me 6 ball, get me. Give me with his fucking glasses. You ain't getting these back. You hear me?
My man took his
getting
identity.
these glasses back, shawty. You hear me? Run that place, nigga. Come on, you run that place.
Look out.
What you doing, man? He said, run that place. Why you telling me? Get down, right, nigga.
Your bitch ass down, nigga.
Down.
Get down, bro. Is that a plank, bro?
Get up. Yeah, hands out, nigga. Hands out, nigga. Hands out. Hands out, nigga. Hands out, nigga. Hands out, nigga.
I'm not doing it till I get. Let me hit the J, bro.
No, shit. You ain't hit shit. Get possession. Get
42. Come on.
Say go.
Oh, now you wild, DJ. Come on, bro.
What you doing now? Back up.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on, I gotta take my hit real quick. Get my adrenaline rush real quick.
Oh, nah, Mo. Come on, Mo. I gotta play for you and all that.
Little adrenaline rush.
Say go.
He on it. This nigga embarrassing me, bro.
Murder. Say go. Nigga like Jerry Rice. He like Jerry Rice in the Seahawks.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Running like that. Bro, you some shit.
Oh nah. Both of y'all can't get it.
Go ahead.
Let's go. Oh shit. Head tie.
Nah, this right here. This the one.
Faster. No. Uh-oh. Back the house on him, coach. Back the house on him, coach.
Baby. Damn, nigga, faster.
These niggas sweet for real. This shit ain't none, bro. His ass, he ain't trying to hop out there. African, bro, he ain't trying to hop out there.
African and shit, nigga.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, you black as shit. Get
My teeth whiter than yours, stop it.
See, that shit yellow as shit,
Stop what you
boy.
doing, ain't never had a
Yellow
yellow
as shit.
tooth in my life.
I get more bitches and more pussy than your ass, nigga.
I think you still a virgin.
Why your man dead? Don't make me glass your ass.
Oh shit.
My fault, I want no problems, bro.
I put this camera now.
I gave us no hands.
Still ducking my 5-star. Stand up. 42.
Go.
Murder.
Run the rerun. That was the octo. Yeah. We don't roll that on the QB.
Yeah, that was. QB4. QB4.
So, hey, y'all, man. Hope y'all like this video, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, bro. I got the guys out, man. If y'all want a part 2, how many likes should we get to jump to? 20,000. 20,000?
Fuck 20,000. 50.
50? Damn. Yeah, about 50. About 50. I fuck with it, you know what I'm saying?
20 likes, Mo.
Hey.
He said 20 likes, bro.
Look, y'all, I did not get pressed, you know what I'm saying? Everything y'all see in the video, it was an act, you know what I'm saying? I didn't get pressed one time, you know what I'm saying? Like, you might thought I got pressed, but it was AI, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna run this shit up all 2024, man. That was Supreme, Bob.
Man, this shit is over with, man. You gotta extort this nigga.
I know a YouTuber that be faking this vid. Stop capping that shit, y'all know how it is. Stop capping that shit, you know how it went. It's me and Dooley and that 5% time.
Oh my God! Hey, you ready? Now do it again.